students, welcome to the online class. Today is 4th November 2020. In last class we have discussed about division properties. Okay, in today's class we will learn about relation between multiplication and division. Okay, see here, take your textbook and open the page number 72. We have learned the terms used in multiplication and division. Okay, we have already learned about terms used in multiplication and division. See here, remember that the multiplication 2 into 3, 2 is a factor, 3 is also a factor, and the answer is called product. Okay, like that in division, first number or first digit is called as divided by 2. 6 divided by 2, 6 is dividend and 2 is divisor. Okay, 6 first number is dividend and second number is divisor, and the coming answer is quotient, called as quotient. Okay, see here, let us study the relation between two operations, multiplication and division. Study these examples to understand the relation between two operations. Okay, 4 into 2 is 8. Yes or no? You know the tables. Once again, remember the tables you have learned in last semester. Okay, 4 into 2, 4 multiplication 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, 8 divided by 2 is 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. How many times 2 is 8? How many times 2 is 8? 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. Yes or no? 4 times. Answer is 4. Okay? 4 times 2 is 8. Okay? Like that. 8 divided by 4 is 2. How many times 4 is 8? Answer is 2. Okay, 8 divided by 4, answer is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, like that. 2 times 4 is 8. Reverse of multiplication is division. Okay, second, 4 into 3 is 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Like that, 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, like that. Next, see here what they have told here. Division is the inverse of multiplication. Division is the inverse. Inverse means reverse. Inverse means reverse. Okay, reverse or opposite, like that. Similar words. Inverse means reverse. See here, 4 into 3 is 12. 12 by 3 is 4. 12 by 4 is 3. 12 by 3 is 4. 12 by 4 is 3. Multiplication. Division is the reverse process of multiplication. Okay. This division is the inverse or reverse process of multiplication. Okay, dear students, understand now? Okay, next. They given examples here to do. Change multiplication to division. Change multiplication to division. See the first example. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Multiplication they given here. You have to change this multiplication into division. Okay. 5 into 4 is 20. Right? First you write 20 and next 20 is divided by 5. Answer is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Yes or no? 4 into 5 is 20. Like that, 20 divided by 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Okay? Like that, 9 into 5 is 45. 9 into 5 is 45. Write 45 in first box divided by 9. Okay? 45 divided by 9 is 5. Okay? 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 9 is 45. Write 45 here and 5 here. 45 divided by 5 is, answer is 9. Quotient is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. Okay, like that. Next, 8 into 4. 8 into 4 is 32. Write 32 here. 32 here divided by 8. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. Next, write 32 here. Here 4 here. 32 divided by 4 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Okay, division. This division is inverse process of multiplication. Okay, 4 into 2 is 8. Write 8 here. Write 4 here. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Next, 8 here. Write 8 here. 2 here. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, dear students. Okay, dear students, in next class we will continue with some more examples. Thank you.